So after discussing all the business rules for the different student programs, as well as demoing how to report program records in CalPads, as well as resolve any submission errors, let's now wrap up this session by summarizing some key points and also pointing you to the different resources and support information. Here are some key points you need to remember. First, check all security roles needed to submit program data. For data population, you at least need to have the SPRG, edit and view roles, the free and reduced meal edit and view roles, the student search role, and for reviewing reports, you should at least have the fall 1 and NAVIR 2 roles. Number 2, be aware of the nuances when reporting NSLP data. Make sure that the program dates in all of your NSLP data are reported properly for the records or students to be included on the LCFF report. And although some programs are collected in Fall 1 and some in end of year, it is important to report or update a student's eligibility or participation in CalPads as soon as the information is available. Especially if you are reporting homeless students, students may not be homeless in a few weeks or days, so it is important that as soon as you have the data available, you report those in CalPads. For success and proficiency in CalPads reporting, here are some important resources you could refer to. First, of course, is the Bridge website where you're in right now. It's learn.ficmat.org. All self-paced training courses are available on the Bridge site, as well as registration for live training sessions are available on this site as well. Second is a YouTube channel where we have a recording of all live sessions of any CalPads class, as well as any CDE-related webinars or classes. Third is the CalPads user manual reference section, where it contains all the system documentation guides that you can download from the CalPads CDE system documentation section. And lastly is the CalPads LCFF FAQ website, where it provides in detail all the nuances that we have discussed earlier in this session. Here are the sites. You have the LCFF frequently asked questions site with all links to the different sources of qualifications for the LCFF. You also have the reference section of the CalPads user manual, as well as the CalPads CDE CalPads system documentation guide section. And then you have your CSIS YouTube channel, and of course, your Bridge Learning resource page. If you have additional questions or require assistance with your CalPads data, we can be reached through these channels: the web form, our support email address, our phone number, and the CSIS listserv. You have now reached the end of this course. If you have additional questions related to SPRG reporting, please send us a service ticket through email or the web form shared in the previous section. Also, we would like to request that you complete the survey link below for your feedback. On behalf of all CalPad staff, we thank you for your participation in this course.